Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this perfectly cooked juicy lemon pepper lamb chops. So good. Can't wait to show you guys how to make it. Before I begin, be sure to like if you enjoyed today's recipe. Also subscribe if you're new, and let's jump right into it. Here are the ingredients you will need: rosemary, thyme, parsley, garlic, a little bit of Tapatio hot sauce, lemon pepper, butter, lemon juice, oil, chicken broth, and of course the lamb chops. These are nice and clean and ready to go. First thing we'll be doing is patting dry our lamb chops. Make sure there's no water whatsoever on the lamb chops because we want a nice sear when we are cooking this. So next, I am going to add some olive oil on there, and then we're going to start seasoning. I am using this hot sauce. It's so delicious. It's called Tapatio. I just got this, okay, and I love it. I'm pretty sure they might have it on Amazon, but I got it from Publix. It was like $3 or something. Very cheap, so tasty. It's a Mexican hot sauce, by the way, and I'm adding the fresh herbs to give this lamb chop a nice herby flavor. I'm adding rosemary, parsley, thyme. Next, I'm going to add the garlic as well as the lemon pepper. I'm using 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. Notice I didn't add any salt to this recipe, so you won't need it. Trust me, you don't need the salt. And make sure to use a good name brand lemon pepper, okay? Because you will definitely taste it once you're done cooking this lamb chops, okay? Now I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together. Once I'm done, I'm going to grab a saran wrap and just cover this, place it in the fridge for about an hour. You can leave it longer, of course, 24 hours if you have time, but today we're just don't have time, so I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour, and we're going to start cooking it right after. This is about 1 hour later, okay guys? It's going to be so good. Of course, if you leave it longer in the fridge, it'll taste even better, but we didn't have time. So to my skillet, I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons olive oil. Mix that up with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Make sure it's nice and hot so you can get a nice sear on these lamb chops. And you're going to place these on there just like so. And your house, your kitchen should be smelling so good right now, okay? The herbs, the thyme, the rosemary, just awesome. I wish I posted this recipe before Thanksgiving, but sorry. So I'm going to cook the lamb chops for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes per side, okay? Once they're nice and golden brown, flip it over, allow the other side to cook. Now, once you have a nice golden brown on both sides, of course, they're looking gorgeous with the perfect sear on them. Now I'm going to set them aside and cook the remaining of the lamb chops. Okay, once I was done with the last batch, I went ahead and discarded some of the oil because it was too oily, obviously. So I went ahead and discarded some of the oil, and then I added half a lemon juice in there just to deglaze the skillet a little bit. Then we're going to pour the chicken broth in there just like so. And to add some flavor, I went ahead and add some better than bouillon in there as well. And basically this is my sauce for the lamb chop. Of course, if you want it thicker, you can add some cornstarch in there to make it thicker. I didn't have to. I allowed the sauce to simmer for a little bit longer, then the water reduces a little bit, and this is the final result. The sauce was so delicious. This is actually one of the best lamb chops recipe that I've ever tried. I think it's because of the lemon pepper. I really enjoy the flavor, and also it was so juicy. It was perfectly cooked. You have to try this for yourself to know what I'm talking about. This is another 10 out of 10 would recommend recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. Also, if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my delicious recipes. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye, guys.